Hey everyone, today's video is brought to you by SMS Bump. What's going on here? Obviously you have a lot of purchases, but the ROAS needs to be improved. This reminds me of one of the accounts we were on with food for Winpro, and like their costs were really high, but their ROAS was like this when we first saw it. Ended up getting the ROAS to about a 3x plus at the same spend, and results were incredible. What kind of food is it, or treats, or?
It's treats and food, but it's all like natural.
Yeah, perfect. Can you show me the site?
Yeah.
Is it only selling in Australia?
Yeah, only Australia. Yeah.
Well, the website sucks, but go ahead and go to the. Do you have control over the website?
Not really, but he's very open to change the owner.
Okay, they need to do a lot of improvements.
Yeah.
All right, click on one of the items. Is this the page you're sending them to?
No, I send them to either the homepage of the website or to like a collection page. So
Moving forward, never send them anywhere but a product page. Okay.
Okay.
Your ROAS is probably gonna double just by sending them to one of these pages.
Okay. And then would you suggest then writing copy for the ads specific to the products, or would it still be okay to keep it wide?
You need to make a carousel of these white backgrounds.
And the natural side of it.
You need to make a carousel of these white backgrounds.
Okay, of the different products?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Sorry, I lost you for a moment there. In terms of the copywriting of the ads and going specific to products, would it be okay to still keep it wide in terms of just the benefits of using natural?
Yeah, let me pull some up for you. Rather than me coming up with something, I can just give you something that's already working. That's what we're here for.
Sorry, did you want me to stop sharing?
No, I'm just pulling something up on my end.
Okay. Just wanted to show you the click funnels as well. Get your thought on that. The free plus shipping offer.
Yeah, no, actually your copy's good. Just do a carousel of all those white images.
Okay. And then the different products that they have on offer.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do. And then, yeah, this is the sample offer. So there's a free plus shipping kind of offer here.
Okay. But send them to that other page as well.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one with each of those images. But do it to the best-selling product.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Oh, they have a lot of different stuff, don't they?
Yeah, yeah. They got.
You need to find the best-selling one.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Hold on. Scroll down. Absolutely. Wait a second. Now I have to find this for you. This skin and coat stuff. We scaled a store to be the #1 selling on Amazon with the skin and coat. Hip and Joint was their best selling product. We ended up taking skin and coat and just absolutely crushing it on the sales. I mean, they scaled so much. It's incredible. I have to show you these ads. They're not running them right now because they ran out of inventory because we kept selling them out. Now I gotta go find this. Yeah, bear with me one moment here. All right, a quick word from our sponsor, SMS Bump. SMS Bump is an effective SMS marketing tool where you can literally integrate it with Shopify. It has over 99% open rates, 35% click-through rates, and you can get a really high ROI with it. You can actually set up automations to make this super simple so you don't constantly have to send these SMS texts out. You know, this is one of the quickest ways to get in front of your customers or potential customers who've added a cart. You can literally set up these sequences super easy. They provide the exact things you can say to automatically boost your actual conversion rate, which is absolutely huge. You definitely want to be able to do this, and you can set it up for each time of day. Then we have the actual integrations you can set it up with. If you already use Klaviyo, Reconvert, or any of these tools, it actually automatically integrates with them to make it super simple. Not only that, they make it even easier by providing you the actual flows, so that way you can automatically just select a few things that you need to, and all your automations will be going, saving you a ton of time and actually generating you more revenue in return, which is super cool. And they have these automations you can actually go through to check out and set up. So that's SMS Bump. You should definitely check it out. We make all of our clients use this. It's a highly effective tool to actually increase conversions. So go ahead and use my special link below to go ahead and get started with SMS Bump. All right. Can you see it right now?
Yep.
So no more dog itching and scratching. So this is for skin and coat allergy, right? Same thing. You literally just like do a carousel, white backgrounds, fast relief, show the little tablets, show the, logo, made for all dogs, promote healthy skin and coat. See? Dog itching and scratching. Leading with the question is, so there's three main things right here. There's three different angles we're covering. One, dog itching and scratching. We're directly calling out individuals who either see their dog itching or see them scratching all the time. This one also is, calling them out, but we're doing it in a more, we're doing an indirect approach where it's like no more dog itching and scratching, and then promote the healthy skin and, coat. And then this one's featured in, if people are skeptics, we just give them like reasons to, trust the product because it's been in, big features in the US market, at least, right? Whether it's itchy skin, sore spots, or running eyes, this product is scientifically, proven XYZ, right? So those are the types of things here.
Okay. Awesome.
That'll do wonders. I mean, we've already proven that out. We took that product to #1 on Amazon. We ended up scaling it so much on the ads that their containers can't even keep up. It's absolutely just insane how much sales there were.
Right. Awesome. And then how would you recommend setting up just the campaign ad structure for that?
Yeah, so I mean, you're going to bucket your lookalikes, your interest, and your retargeting in 3 different sets.
Okay.
There should be a sheet or something in the class that you'll end up finding.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, you'll just test a lot of interest in one campaign. You'll test lookalikes in one campaign. You'll test retargeting in one campaign. 3 campaigns.
Okay, awesome. And then would you recommend separating out retargeting in terms of stages, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, just since this is something we've already proven, mobility, like the hip and joint products, get high amounts of subscriptions because people want their dogs to stay on it. Okay. Allergy is more like a one-time buy. It's not really recurring. Like they just give it to their dogs once their dogs, no longer have allergies. It's kind of like if you have allergies, you go to the doctor, you get, maybe some allergy medicine. Next thing you know, you're fine. Right. But for hip and joint, that's a recurring thing. Like dogs will always have, like once they have pain, it's really hard for them not for it to go away. So like those people stay on subscription. So keep that in mind. Like we 100% know like scaling allergy is much easier than scaling joint stuff, but joint was recurring. So like, you kind of have to pick your battle in terms of which one you're looking for.
Right. Okay. And then was it the campaign structure for that, like separated, was it product separated by campaigns or?
Yes. It was separated by campaigns.
Okay. Awesome.
Let me show you.
The copywriting was that around like just a lot of words about maintaining good movement and things like that, for the kind of trying to pull on the side of long-term use and continued use? Or that makes sense.
What are you talking about? Which one?
In terms of when you wrote the copy for those ads, you did show me before, but just a quick question around like, did you use a lot of wording around like maintained
benefits? That's the main selling.
Okay.
Because every dog, like the hip and joint is going to be old dogs. They have problems getting upstairs. They have problems going outside. They have problems jumping in the bed. Their owners, most of the time it's their owners wishing they had a puppy again. They see their dogs like spine, getting old. The dogs are just getting old. And these people think that, if they're going to buy a product, hopefully they can at least get their dog to walk better. But, the dog's just so old, it's just having trouble getting on the bed. And so the owners are simply, the mindset is they want their dog to eventually be able to get back on their bed like they remember them used to be, or they're just worried because they're no longer seeing their pet do what they used to do. They used to jump on the sofa, the couch. They used to be active. Now their dog's just getting old. And, that's just what's happening to the dog, unfortunately. And so, the buying is quite high because they're concerned and they want to help their puppy. Yeah. But it's really not a puppy. It's an old dog. So that'll really allow you to just like skip to what's already working.
Yeah.
We did a ton of testing on it.
Okay. Super helpful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Awesome. Yeah,
And
that's
by the
all.
way, Richard, if you have any other questions, just post in a group. We have lots of people that are here that are doing really good wonders and would probably be very happy to help you.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to being part of it all.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks.
You have a lot of link clicks, so that's a good sign. You have a lot of content views. That means people are making it to the page. They're obviously viewing products. The add to carts aren't very high, so something's causing people to, stop and not add to cart. So that's one concern. We'll pull up your site again. Where are you sending people?
It depends if it's a carousel then to each product, right?
Yeah.
But if it's like a video, then basically to the main website.
You should make your add to cart button a full color. It's white right now. It's not popping out.
Full color.
Yeah. So that way it stands out more.
So what do you think about what we did on Monday? Should I be going back to like from 20 to 15 or?
Yeah, you can scale back again, but yeah, you need to change the add to cart button color. You need that banner at the top of your site. I feel like your banner is gone again.
Yeah, I think maybe it might be. It's showing up only on homepage.
You need to show up on product page. That banner at the top needs to show up on the product page.
Okay.
Let's see here. Yeah. I'm still looking.
No worries, I'm waiting.
You need the payment badges like closer to the buttons. The free shipping, yeah, you need the banner at the top. Let me add to cart. It pulls over, okay.
You mean payment badges like Maestro, Visa and stuff?
What's that?
You said payment badges. You meant Visa,
Yes.
Maestro and stuff?
Right, yeah, exactly.
Where do you suggest me to add them? Under the
buttons.
Under the buttons, okay.
All right, yeah, cool. So I mean, like I would do those things, and
because I'm using the same creative that we're working basically.
yeah,
so
you just need to make a few tweaks to your site, because like the issue is people not adding to cart.
But like, for example, yesterday, I think it was, just a second, I think I had like 11 add to carts.
It's not enough.
No, was it? Yeah, you can see it here.
And then also the bottom of your footer, it says like use this text area. You should probably remove one of those things. Like here, let me share my screen for you.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, like right here, this is like a text box. Use this text area. You should remove this.
Oh, wow.
There's no banner at the top. You need a banner that says like free shipping on all US orders. Whenever you go to the product page, the add to cart button is very like hidden. It's like it's you don't notice it when you're on the page. You got to have it like this color. So
yeah.
Then you need, let's see here. Go back down.
Do you think those are clear? Like what I did it like this now? The bottoms.
I would add in this piece here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because actually those are the changes that I did last week. So I added the bottoms and I changed the description parts. I left really the minimum description parts here. So basically you said add the construction, the material.
Yeah, I would try those changes for sure.
Okay.
You might even play with the pricing or do special offers. Yeah.
Okay. And then basically scaling back, right? In one day,
Yeah.
probably.
Mm-hmm.
Is it for 5? Is it for 5?
Yeah. For 5.
Okay. So each 3 days, if nothing happens from that ad set, it's like 5 back, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Till I come to 5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you could even do like a carousel of like the white image of the this piece, and then like this is like one of the images. Like you can do that. That'd be pretty cool.
Okay, I'll try that. Basically doing them in the ad sets that were kind of performing but not performing purchases.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, like what is like the
Oh,
best?
you should have this in a retargeting.
Really?
Yeah, for sure. People love this stuff. You should like do like a reel of you like packaging something. Oh my gosh, people's hearts would just like roll around on the table.
Like write what? Did you
Like
saw
literally
our
just like you
packaging?
packaging something. No, it's just, I'm not even kidding. This is gonna blow your mind. I'll show you something. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, sure. That's funny actually.
Man, you can't even search hashtags online for TikTok. That's so weird. Do you have TikTok?
I do. I just really haven't had the time to start posting it yet, to be honest
Okay.
with you. I have one video on there, but I haven't succeeded nothing yet.
Okay. Give me 1 moment. I'm pulling this up.
So today I'm going to show you how we pack our orders.
I found a video. Here's one.
So today I'm going to show you how we pack our
My sister's a
Okay, I got 2 videos for examples for you. Give me 1 second. Cool. All right, so here's one, and here's number 2. There we go. All right, so see how they're just packing it?
Yeah.
That's literally it. And
Oh,
this
so
thing
it's the
did
video.
1.6 million likes, tens of millions of views, just packing it. Yeah. See that?
Okay. So is it a video basically? You're suggesting me to do a video, right?
Right.
Okay.
And then this one. Let's do this again. Just gonna restart.
I'm just gonna do screenshots.
Here we go. So now this one's just filming somebody packing.
Yeah, I have only seen this one really.
Yeah,
Is
this
it
one.
my frame not changing?
Wait, have you not seen this one?
I have seen this one with the pink box,
Yeah, both of these. These are the 2 I'm showing you.
but they're the same, aren't they? Show me the other one, please.
Wait a second. You don't see the girl right here?
Yeah, I see this girl right now.
What about this one? Do you see this one? Of the tubes?
Yeah. No, I thought this one is the same.
No, these are 2 different.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.